Dear students, now let us see the concept of decorated design patterns. The intent of the decorated design pattern is to attach additional responsibilities or features to an object dynamically. Decorators provide a flexible alternative to subclassing for extending the functionality. The thing is that suppose in the application we are having the number of classes. Okay, if you want to add the extra features to any one of the class during the runtime, we are going to use the decorator design patterns. Okay, the thing is that during runtime dynamically we can assign the features or responsibilities to an any class in the application. Decorator pattern says that attach a flexible additional responsibilities to an object dynamically. The thing is that we are going to attach the flexible additional responsibilities. Flexible means what here? Dynamically we can change the properties or the responsibilities of an object dynamically. In other words, decorator pattern uses composition instead of inheritance to extend the functionality of an object at runtime. Decorator pattern is also known as the refer class. And advantages of the decorator patterns are it provides the greater flexibility than static inheritance. Means dynamically we are going to allocate the responsibilities for any object during the execution of the application. It enhances the extensibility of the object because changes are made by coding new classes. And dynamic decorator design patterns are used when you want to transparently and dynamically add responsibilities to objects without affecting the other objects. The thing is that dynamically we can allocate the features or behaviors to the object without affecting the other objects. Means what here we are having the number of classes. For those classes we are going to create the objects are going to interact in between the classes, so that if you want to change any behavior of any object, so that it should not affect to the other objects in the application. And extending the functionality by subclassing means what here we have to create a subclass for a superclass. Then subclass is having the information of the superclass in addition to the information of its own class. For example, we are going to give an example of the decorator pattern. The components in that pattern are a component visual component defines the interface for objects that can have the responsibilities added dynamically. A concrete component, that is a text view. Decorator maintain a reference to the component object defines the interfaces. In the next slide it is having the uh, structure here. Yes, you see the structure here. In this structure we are having the visual component, uh, a class under which again we are going to have the two subclasses. One subclass is the text view, okay, and one more component is the decorator. Okay, decorator is going to allocate the responsibilities for any class dynamically or during runtime. Here you see visual component, nothing but it is a text area or a display area of the uh, console. Okay, in that we are going to have the text view and the decorator. Okay, under decorator again we are going to have the two subclasses. One subclass is scroll decorator and scrolling the window up and down and left and right. And border decorator, border means it is having the properties like border width to draw border. And scroll decorator is having the uh, properties like draw, scroll to, and the scroll position. Okay, all these are the properties of the scroll decorator and the border decorator. The thing is that decorator is going to uh, allocate the or send the responsibilities dynamically to the subclasses. Here subclasses are scroll decorator and the border decorator. And one more example you can see here. Yes, this is an example here. In this you see here, food is the super class, and under which we are having the veg food and the food decorator. Veg food is a subclass, food decorator is a subclass, but it is a decorator class, under which again we are going to have the subclasses non-veg food and the Chinese food. Means what here, dynamically we can choose the which type of food he wants. uh, Either he wants non-veg food and Chinese food, and also you can add the extra features to the subclasses non-veg food and the Chinese food dynamically. Okay, this is an explanation of the decorator design pattern. Thank you.